Are you looking for one-bedroom unit here in Uptown BGC? Good for Airbnb or rental business? Hi guys! Welcome to Uptown Arts Residences. Tara, check natin. Hi guys! So tara, tuloy kayo. So it's Gra again. So let me show you the one-bedroom here in Uptown Arts. So we have two different cuts of unit here. So around 60 square meter to 65 square meter. So ayan. So I'll give you a tour about this unit. So this unit also comes with a digital lock set and a smart switch or digital switch. So you will also have a video intercom here. So if you have visitors or deliveries, you can see them on the lobby. Ayun. So dito tayo sa kitchen area. So on your kitchen, fully furnished na siya guys. So this is a quartz countertop finish. So sa sink, retractable na rin yung faucet nyo. And you will have a overhead cabinet. Ayan. Kagandahan pala sa mga cabinet dito guys is soft close na siya. So wala na kayong problema kahit magdabog kayo. Ayan. Then you will have induction cooktop, two induction cooktop, and a range hood. So you also have a refrigerator included na to guys. Then you will have a provision for washer dryer here. Ayan. So let's go naman sa living area and dining. So kagandahan dito guys, full glass na siya sa dining and to living area. So you can put your dining area here, dining table, pwede nyo siyang ilagay dito. Then you will have your own balcony. Ayan. So view nyo dyan si Uptown Parade, Uptown BGC, Mitsukoshi Mall. So yan yung magiging view nyo. Check nyo guys. So tara naman sa living area. So this will be the living area. So spacious siya guys for couples or for mga nag-work sa malapit sa area. Maganda talaga siya. So you can put your sofa here, sofa set. Then TV nyo will be right here. So ayan. So may view pa rin talaga kayo. So this one will be the common toilet and bath. Kagandahan dito guys, fully furnished na siya. Wala na talaga yung problema. So enclosure, rain shower, toilet, bidet, mirror sa toilet. Wala na kayong problema. Ayan. So, sa bedroom. Ayan. So, sa bedroom, spacious talaga guys. So, you can put up to queen size bed dito. And you will have your modular cabinet and AC. Ayan. Then, good thing about this unit, and pinaka gusto ko sa unit na to, full glass na siya dito and you will have your own balcony. So view nyo is si Makati skyline. Ayan. So pwede kayong maglagay ng coffee table dito. So yun siya. This one guys, so if naghahanap kayo ng unit na ganito, good for couple or family of 3. Then imagine you're looking for sunset every day. So yun magiging lifetime view nyo. So ayun. So if you want this one-bedroom unit in Uptown Arts, just message me or call me on my Viber, WhatsApp, or mobile number so that we can schedule you an actual site visit of the unit. So thank you guys and see you on the next video. And please don't forget to follow this page. Thank you. Bye!